Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to make this easy peasy lemon cake in just 3 minutes. Are you ready? You're gonna need just 2 lemons, not more than that. Take the zest out of the lemon like you're ninja slicing out a watermelon and put it all together in a small bowl. I'm talking small. The 2 lemons becomes 4 if you cut them. And now remove the juice out of the lemon because nobody like a pit in their cake. In a green bowl, please don't do that in a pink one. A green. Hurry up and add 5 spoons of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again hurry up and add 3 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm so slow in this video. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients together. And now in a red bowl and not a blue one, crack 4 eggs. Please don't be slow like I am in the video. Now add a bowl of olive oil. And you remember the zest? Put that in the bowl as well. All of it, I'm serious. Now put some lemon juice, but not all of it because it's too much. We are going to keep some for the lemon glaze at the end. Now mix them all together like you're trying to win a race or something. And then combine the ingredients of the red bowl to the green bowl and mix them together again. At this point, I just want to remind you guys that I'm very lazy when I'm cooking. And I'm trying to make things as easy as possible. I don't like it when things are complicated. So I keep it as simple as possible. Even if you're lazy, you can make this cake. Don't forget to butter up a glass pan and then you just throw in a little bit of flour and then shake it up like you're dancing tango with your cake. Add the mix in the pan slowly, and then your cake is ready to be baked. I recommend to bake your cake for at least 45 minutes or when the toothpick comes out clean. You know what I mean. Now let's get ready for the lemon glaze. Simply add into a pan some powdered sugar and a little bit of lemon and then mix for 2 minutes and your glaze is super duper ready. I forgot to say that the heat needs to be on the low. Obviously, make sure that your cake is cold before adding the glaze. Once your cake is cool enough, pour the glaze all over it like you're a superstar baker. Spread it all over the cake like it's a work of art. And let it set for, let's just say, 5 minutes. After all of this work, it's time for the final touch. Plating my masterpiece. I chose a big black plate with a red top not placed in the center, but somewhere in the ankle of the plate, let's say. And then some powdered sugar all around the top. I'm adding some lemon slices because you know the joke is a lemon cake, so without lemon it's not a lemon cake. I place in the circle my cake, cut it in a shape of circle. Voila! There you have it. The easiest, most delicious lemon cake you will ever make. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the end. You are a real supporter. That means a lot to me. Bye!